Okay, so here I've got a 5.3 liter Vortec in a 2008 Chevrolet pickup. My name is Brent, and I was given this stuff by a gentleman at a Walmart in Bozeman, Montana. I'm not sure if it's Tribo or Tribo-MAX, but let's see here. There we go. It is motor oil, nano lubricant, and greenoutotechnology.com. So I am going to inject this little syringe into the dipstick tube of my pickup truck. I've just got home from work, and so the engine's still warm, but per the instructions of the gentleman that gave me this syringe, I'm gonna inject this stuff into that tube. So I think, I should have got this off first. Hold on 1 second. Well, I should have checked to see. Oh, it looks like that unthreads. Yep. Okay, sorry about that. So the cover just unthreads. So here we go. I was told that this could eliminate oil burn off and taps and little scratchy noises, and it's supposed to restore some of the inner workings of the motor. So all right, let's see what happens. There it goes. Simple as that. So I'm assuming, since the engine's nice and warm, that it will seep down into the bottom nice and smooth like. So yep, I've injected every bit of it down in there. So not that I'm experiencing problems with my engine, but I've got 212,000 miles on this 5.3 liter, so it couldn't hurt it. There is a slight scratchy noise when I start it, when it's cold in the morning, and or a tapping, scratching type of thing, but it goes away once it warms up. So I'm gonna see if it'll eliminate it. So anyway, once again, 5.3 liter 2008 Chevrolet pickup, 212,000 miles, one syringe of, again, Tribo-MAX, motor oil, nano lubricant by greenoutotechnology.com.